how to fix Ome TV app camera not working on iPhone and Android. Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix the Ome TV app camera not working on both iPhone and Android devices. So make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. First, for the Android phone, open the Settings app on your Android device. Scroll down and tap on Apps or App Management depending on your phone model. Then go to App Manager. Find and tap on Ome TV from the list of installed apps. Now tap on Permissions. Make sure the camera permission is turned on or allowed. Also, check and allow microphone permission to ensure full functionality. Now return to the home screen and long press the Ome TV app icon, tap on App Info, then tap Storage and Cache. Tap on Clear Cache to remove any temporary glitches. Tap on Data Usage. Make sure background data and unrestricted data usage are enabled. Next, restart your phone to refresh the system once it turns back on. Open the Ome TV app and check if the camera is working properly. And that's it. Your camera should now be working fine with Ome TV on Android. Now come towards the iPhone first. Open the Settings app on your iPhone. Scroll down and tap on Apps. After that, look for Ome TV in the list of apps. Then tap on it. Check if the camera toggle is enabled. If it's off, turn it on. Now go back to the main settings screen. Once you are there, here, tap on Privacy and Security. Scroll down a little, tap on Camera, and make sure Ome TV is allowed access here too. Then tap on Microphone under Privacy and Security and confirm that Ome TV has microphone access as well. After that, swipe up from the bottom of your screen to fully close the Ome TV app. Reopen the app and check if your camera is working. Now, if it still doesn't work, go back to Settings. Tap on General, then select iPhone Storage. Find and tap on MTV, then choose Offload App. Once done, reinstall the app from the App Store. Your camera should now be working smoothly on Ome TV on iPhone. That's it. Whether you're using an iPhone or Android, your camera should now be working perfectly on Ome TV. That's all for the video.